Hi everyone! This week we're going to be working on using a tree map. So you are going to be reading a story this week about cats, and I want to help you build your tree map to help you write your paragraph. To make a tree map, you're going to be categorizing or classifying something. You start off with your topic, and then under your branches you're going to have a category and some details about each category. Down below I've started us one off of cats. So I have our topic cats, and we'll usually connect a pronoun with that. So that's going to help us with our sentences. Down below, you're going to have your categories. Now, these are usually going to be verbs. I have a list of connecting words that you guys can use. You do not have to use the ones that I chose. And there's a lot more than that. It's basically just using a verb. And then underneath that, I'm going to provide my details. Cats like catnip. Cats like to play. And I can keep listing off details. I'll go over to my next category. Cats have fur. And over here, cats need food. Cats need water. Cats need love. And then I want you to practice reading off of this map. So you're going to say, cats like catnip, and they like to play. Cats have fur. They need food, water, and love. And that's how you guys are going to make your tree map this week. If you have any questions about building it, please send me a message. I'm here to help you. Bye.